you interviewed me on your on for your YouTube channel in, I think it was the late summer of 2022 when we were in a bear market where we were in the process of dropping 27.5% because of the inflation scare. So here we are 3 years later. Now we're right on the complete opposite end of the spectrum. But since then, we also had this severe some people say it wasn't a bear market because we technically didn't close 20% below on the S&P, but we know what happened with some of the other indexes and with individual names. But this was recently added to here, and everything that we do is designed to avoid these. These are killers and killers to your portfolio, especially if you're approaching retirement. If you're young, you have time to recover, but really, is there any reason to ever give up 30 or 40, 50% of your money to the market? There's not, if you follow some simple rules. And I know that's you've made your life's work into introducing people that can train you and instruct you on how to do that. So I've made every mistake under the sun, and anything that I can learn to reduce the learning curve for anybody, I'm very glad to be able to do it. And uh, I think one of the main issues for people just getting exposed to the market, why do they get frustrated and why do they underperform? There's four major categories that I think I've identified. And with my IT background, we're trained to solve problems in IT, and the market is one big mystery that's wanting to be solved every day. So here are some of the different solutions that we've came up with. The first one is cash drag. So if you have a sell strategy and you're out of the market goes down. In this most recent tariff tantrum bear market, we dropped quickly, we recovered quickly. If you were all out, suppose you sold at the bottom and then there was that 11% up slingshot day on the S&P 500. Now you're behind the eight ball. So you're in cash, but that's a big cash drag. How do you solve that problem? I'm going to talk about something called rare rules, which is this came about at the end of 2022. I thought we could improve getting back into the market quicker than we could while leading stocks were setting up. So rare stands for revere aggressive index reentry. I'm going to talk about some of those rules and some guidelines that we have to get your money into the index with some reasonable stops. Allow leaders time to set up before you start digging into them. So the second solution to cash drag is something called RVAB, which is Revere Volatility Adjusted Beta. This is a calculation that we came up with. Everything that we own, we look at two parameters. Every stock that's out there. What is the stock's beta? What is the stock's ATR, average true range, over the last 21 days? And compare that to the average true range of the S&P 500. That gives every ticker a score, and based on that score, it allows us to decide what the position sizing is going to be to reduce risk, because there's nothing worse than a sold out bull. People always say, well, what is the proper position size? The proper position size is one that you can stay in without getting shaken out by a normal correction because you panic.